Why I love Office 365 OneNote. Office 365 has been a game changer for many businesses and individuals, providing a comprehensive suite of productivity tools that can be accessed from anywhere. OneNote, one of the lesser-known applications within Office 365, provides users with a powerful digital notebook that seamlessly integrates with other Office 365 applications. Imagine having all your notes, tasks, and important information in one place, accessible from any device. OneNote's intuitive interface allows you to easily create, organize, and search through your notes, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. Collaborate with your team in real time by sharing your OneNote notebooks, and watch your productivity soar. Furthermore, OneNote's handwriting recognition and multimedia support enables you to express your ideas in a variety of formats. Discover the hidden gem of Office 365, OneNote, and unlock endless possibilities for organization and collaboration. Upgrade your workflow today.